All right, everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today we're on the Thermador wall lever. We're going to adjust the glide racks, take a minute out, show you the easiest way possible. Here's the handle right here. Make sure we do this when it's nice and cold. We just want to glide it all the way out, just like this, extend it out the full way. Then we're going to pick it up on the left and right with even pressure, glide it straight back towards us, take a little bit at a time, hold it just like this. And then here's a great side angle of what happens here. So this has to sit on that rail right under here. This glides, and then this clips it right in at the very end. So to put it back in, I like to do it like this, right on my knee like this, hold it with even pressure, pick the rack we want to do, and see that first set of teeth, we want to have it sit right on there. So you can let it sit on the left, and we sit it on the right, make sure we're on the same glide rack on the left and right. Then we just make sure this goes underneath, okay? And then here's the tricky part. This is going to go over top. So make sure it's nice and level. See how it slides right over it? Then we're going to push it straight back. It'll lock right in right there. So when you see that lock, you feel it. Now glide it all the way back. Apply pressure again. And if you apply pressure and nothing happens over here and here, we know we put it in correctly. Glide it back out. We can start cooking the most efficient way possible. Thank you so much.